When you suddenly break up with the girl of your dreams, the heartbreak can feel unbearable. It's even worse when she seems completely fine, acting as if she doesn't care about you at all. But don't worry, bro, there's still hope. If she ever had feelings for you and shared a connection with you, she will miss you. But only if you do these 7 things that I'm about to show you. Stick around until the end, bro, and you'll learn exactly how to make her miss you like crazy. 1. Make her think about you. This is a mix of ancient wisdom and a bit of modern knowledge that will make her think about you, even when you're not around. We're talking about creating mystery, something that intrigues her and makes her want more. Here's an important rule, bro. Distancing yourself will make her miss you even more. If you're always there, she'll get bored. On the other hand, giving her space and time to herself will make her curious about what you're doing. She might even start imagining you having fun with other girls, which will make her jealous and crave you even more. But here's the best part, bro. By distancing yourself, you're showing her that you're independent. You don't need her all the time. You've got your own life, and that will make her realize that you can handle any situation, with or without her. Don't forget the most important thing. Give her a nickname that only the two of you know, something related to her favorite thing. Every time she hears that name, she'll think of you and the special bond you share. Now, when she posts something online, don't be the first one to like it. Wait a little bit, bro, as if you're not that interested. She's trying to get your attention, but you're not giving it to her easily. This will make her wonder if you've seen it. It's the kind of mystery that will keep her intrigued. Remember, bro, it's all about combining different strategies. A little distance, a little mystery, and a little connection. That's how you make her think about you, even when you're far away. 2. Stop chasing her. When it comes to a girl, there's one skill you need to learn, the skill of not chasing her. I know you might want to chase her with all you've got, but that's not the right way, bro. Think about it. Girls often like challenges. They want to understand that you're not always agreeing with them, that you have your own opinions. So the first thing you need to do is stop thinking that your only goal is to make her like you. Focus on making your life better. Let her see that. She's not the most important thing in your life. That's the secret, bro. The more she sees you chasing her, the more she'll lose interest. You need to learn the strategy of the game of life. Give her space. Let her wonder what you're doing. By pulling away and not always being around her, you make her curious. She'll start imagining you day and night, creating stories about what you're up to. 3. Make her jealous. Jealousy is something that will make her curious about you, bro. Think about this scenario. You post a picture with your friends and there's a girl in it. You tag a girl in the picture, but it's not obvious, right? But trust me, she'll notice. It's like a secret message that makes her curious. She'll check out the tagged girl's profile, trying to figure out what's going on. Now, don't think this is about making up stories or playing games. It's about making her feel intrigued. The girl you're tagging might just be a friend, maybe more, but the point is her mind will start imagining all sorts of things. She might even imagine you having fun with another girl, and that's exactly the point you want to make. 4. Make her realize she's losing you. Now, making someone realize they're losing you is a clever game that will make them miss you and understand your worth. The first thing you need to do is let her feel the emptiness of your absence. One way to do this is by acting like a cool guy with status, proactivity, responsibility, and courage. When you do this, she starts thinking that she's missing out on something big. She'll start thinking that she won't find anyone better than you. Another way to do this is by showing her that you're fine without her as your partner. You give her hints that you're not waiting for her to come back. These 2 strategies will create a little doubt in her mind. Suddenly, she'll start wondering if she's losing something really valuable. It's like giving her a fear of loss, bro. 5. Don't be overexcited. Now, I understand. When she finally reaches out to you, it's like the best part of a fireworks show. But wait a minute, there's a trick here. Showing too much excitement isn't the right way. It's like showing your cards too early, and that's not a good move in the game. If you act too excited, it's like putting a big sign on your face that says, "I've been counting the seconds until you call me." She'll picture you glued to your phone. So, what you need to do is keep your responses short and simple. Don't send long texts here. Just something small to keep the conversation going without being overly excited. 6. Show her your coolness. Now you want her to see that you're not sitting around doing nothing. Now she's thinking about you. Guess where she's going to? Look first? Social media is the modern way to see what's going on. If she looks at your profile and doesn't see anything new, she'll think you're just waiting for her. You need to share parts of your YouTube, your achievements, and your fun moments. Let her see your world. It's not about praising yourself, but showing her that you're making progress. Even if you haven't done something huge, there's nothing wrong with sharing a photo of yourself. That picture will pop up on her timeline, sending the message that you're moving forward and doing something with your life. She'll want to be part of your story, and she'll feel like she's part of your life. 7. Make your move. It doesn't matter how many moves you've made or how many things you've changed. Everything depends on this last move. You've shifted gears, and she's noticed everything. You've been living your best life without giving her attention and acting like the cool, confident guy who has a lot to offer. When she realizes your value and starts missing you, you need to be aware that this is the time to use that fun. The things that make her happy. But be careful, bro. Don't act like a storm that suddenly comes. Remember what she likes, what makes her shine. Now's your chance to use those skills. But most importantly, your last move is key. All those little hints, all those clues are just shadows without this last step. You need to get close to her and talk. Think about the confidence. It's like the perfect suit. Relaxed body language, like someone walking into their own room. Start the conversation. Look into her eyes and let that smile light up her face. Remember, bro, all the tools you've gathered, all the tricks you've got, now it's time to use them. Speak well, give her compliments, and it'll be like a smooth throw in a dark game. Listen, bro, you don't need to hesitate or delay anymore. So take a moment, make your move, and if you do it right, she'll call you, and she'll miss you. Stay cool, bro, and good luck.